Hello everyone. In one of my videos, I talk about how we can wash the sneakers. Someone was asking the question, whether do we wash sneakers or we clean sneakers? Yes. Do we wash sneakers or we clean sneakers? Yes. What you understand is that first of all, there are different ways on how you wash the sneakers. You can clean your sneakers if the dirt is not much. Light brushing and cleaning, and then you can also wash the sneakers, immerse it in water and clean and wash very well. So let me explain. First of all, welcome to Pants Laundry Academy. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, don't comment in the comment section how you know how to wash your sneakers, like the video and then share it to others so that the video can go far to many people as possible. So let's continue. You know, now in our contemporary time, mostly in Nigeria and Africa, we sometimes clean sneakers, but most times we wash the sneakers. The reason be that in the Western world, they have good road, they have the toss is not there, many things are not there. But not in Africa, tropical area, like those places that moldy areas, sandy soil, loamy soil. When you finish washing your sneakers, wearing your sneakers, there will be enough stain inside the sneakers and they cannot be able to clean them. Let's say this is your sneakers. Example, let's say this is my sneakers. You see, just see the shoe. Are you seeing the shoe? This is my shoe. See, are you seeing the dirt inside of this thing? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing how this shoe look like? So this kind of shoe now, of sneakers, example, you don't clean it, just say you put soft water and then you clean it, the stain will still be remaining inside. But if the stain is not much, the dirt is not much, you can put your rag or your sponge or your brush in a soft water and then brush a light brushing and it's off. But when you get to the aspect of the shoe is dirty, the shoe, the sneakers, the Timberland, the whatsoever they bring to your office, the stain is very dirty. It is best for you to immerse the shoe back, put it on top of the water and then let it cool before you wash the back. And then when you see place like this, you don't just wash the water. Some sneakers or shoe, the material is not strong, the leather is not leather. Some of them when you wash it will peel off. That's why either it come when you clean it. Sometimes it peel off, sometimes it will not peel off. Some material, some leather are stronger than other one. So when something like this occur, what you do, you put soft rag and then your sponge, you wash it. You don't immerse it in water directly. When you know the shoe or the sneakers is not strong enough, the material is not good strong enough that it will just weak and then peel off. You don't soak it inside the water, you just use this brush and then you clean it very well. Body back here, make sure you sponge it very well with hard brush and you clean. But if the material, the leather of that shoe or the sneakers is strong, you can feel it. If it is strong, you can feel it. What you can do, you can immerse it in the water. If it's dirty, dip in the water, use hard brush the side, brush everywhere, and then you wash the insoles, the lace, and then that's how it is. So we can clean the sneakers, we can also wash the sneakers. It depends on how the dirt is out of it. Not all sneakers can be immersed in water and not all sneakers can be washed with water also. Some of them can be clean while some can be immersed. So you know the difference. When a customer makes sneakers to you, know it, look at it first, feel it, and then you will know if this one can be immersed in water to wash or that is it. So I want you to give a comment in the comment section how you wash your sneakers. If this video is able to you, kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it to others to follow. And if you are there, you want to join the academy, partner academy, or you wish to start a learning business, you want a mentor we can to cover, write us on the comment section that I am interested, and then give us a DM, we'll get back to you. Once again, love you. Bye.